the Taiwan Economic and Cultural Office Chinese Language Achievement Award is sponsored by the Taiwan Economic and Cultural Office, or TECO, and it recognizes the highest achieving student in each level of the Chinese language program's classes. So we have Chinese 101, Chinese 102, 201, 202, 302, and 417. Don't ask me why it's 417, but it is. For Chinese 101. Why is it every time I get up here, the car seems like okay. I know. Somebody's trying to tell me. They're getting in the cars and leaving. Okay, so, Chinese 101. First recipient is Marin Hanover. Marin Hover. Marin here? Our second recipient is Marco Antonio Martinez. And the third is Chris Walton. Chinese 102. Ethan Jiang. Jay Leslie. And Avery Todd. Chinese 201, that's intermediate modern Chinese. Maya Nichterlein. Chinese 202, that's modern intermediate modern Chinese 2, is Quinn Michael O'Grady. Chinese 302, third year Chinese 2, Isabel Molina. And Chinese 417, Advanced Modern Chinese, Amelia Matheson.